Hi, my name is Kat and I've been living on wheels since 2018 with my husband Marek and our dog Diesel when we decided to set off on a year-long van life adventure traveling around Europe in our motorhome. We've explored 10 countries, made loads of friends and lifetime memories. And we really fell in love with living on wheels, living in a van. So after coming back to the UK, we really didn't want to go back to our house and our normal jobs. We wanted to carry on living on wheels. And that's how we came up with an idea of living and working on a caravan site or a campsite. We visited so many of them during our motorhome trip and we loved every single one. Initially, we were working on a campsite in the summer and we were traveling in our motorhome in winter. But after 2 years, we decided to sell our motorhome and moved into a caravan. And that's pretty much the content of our videos. We show what it's really like to live in a caravan full-time throughout different seasons. We share the ups and the downs. It's not an easy lifestyle, so we share a lot of survival strategies and tips. We are aware that we love it, it works for us, but it's not for everyone. So our aim is to inspire those of you who are dreaming and daydreaming of living in a caravan to take a plunge, to give it a go, but only after a careful consideration of pros and cons. Living in a caravan comes with a side job, so this is another topic of our videos. We tell you and show you what it's like to work on a campsite in the UK. We publish new videos every Wednesday afternoon and every Sunday evening at 7 p.m. the UK time. We meet our viewers, friends and followers for a live stream, live chat Q&A from our caravan. So please join us. And if you don't want to miss anything, subscribe to the channel. It is free. It will mean a world to us and we will be delighted to have you on board.